Hello to everyone and welcome to the Rando Teach. Today we are making something super rich, super sweet and totally indulgent. Peanut brownies. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. This dessert is high in calories and packed with butter and sugar. It's got a strong butter flavor and a bold sweetness. So it might not be everyone's cup of tea, you know? If you are on a special diet or have any health conditions, it's always a good idea to check in with your doctor or a nutritionist before giving it a try. This recipe has two parts. First, we'll whip up a creamy peanut butter layer, then we'll move on to the rich chocolatey brownie base. For the peanut butter cream, you'll need 170 grams peanut butter, 100 grams sugar, 30 grams milk, and for the brownie, you'll need 200 grams butter, 225 grams chocolate. Here we used milk chocolate, but dark chocolate works great too. 200 grams sugar, 2 whole eggs and 1 extra yolk, 30 grams cocoa powder, and 64 grams flour. Let's make that peanut butter cream. Make sure your peanut butter is at room temperature. Cold peanut butter won't mix well, so don't skip this step. Mix the peanut butter, sugar, and milk in a bowl until it turns into a smooth, creamy blend. Scoop the cream into a freezer-safe plastic bag and spread it out evenly, but not too thin. Pop it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. Now it's time to make the brownie base. Melt the butter and chocolate using a double boiler, a bowl over simmering butter. First, let the butter melt completely. Then add the chocolate and stir until smooth and glossy. Let it cool down a bit before moving on. Transfer the mixture to a bigger bowl. Here, there is no need for an electric mixer. Just grab a whisk or spatula. Add the sugar and mix it in. Add the eggs one by one, plus the extra yolk. Slowly add the flour and stir gently. Finally, add the cocoa powder and mix until fully combined. Let's layer and bake. Here we are using a square baking pan that's 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. Line it with parchment paper. Pour half of the brownie batter into the pan. Take your peanut butter cream out of the freezer and break it into chunks. Place those chunks over the batter. Pour the rest of the brownie mix on top. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Now let it cool completely. Then slice it however you like. And finally, grab a cup of coffee and enjoy your peanut butter brownie masterpiece. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also ring that bell so you can notify when we post another video. See you soon!